Ito mga chalugo, ito yung gagawin namin. Electric bus. Ayan. Yung rear corner, right hand biak, crack, full bumper, kailangan replace. Ayun. Kaya buksan natin to. Ayan. Ayan yung engine door, sira din. Kailangan to i-fiber. Ayan, fiber natin yan. Saka i-strip natin tong tong bracket ng bumper. Ayan, pumasok yung pumasok yung